Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. We are going to be continuing issue 36. We've got stage 136 here. Got some nice parts. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we got and continue this build. Alrighty, here are the parts we get with stage 136. We have the roof intake cover. We've got roof box front panel, rear panel, right panel, and left panel, along with some screws. Okay, we're gonna kick things off by building the intake here. So we take the intake, we take the cover. There's a couple of little slots here, and you can see one is longer and one is shorter. That's to help make sure you've got this in the right orientation. And there are 6 holes around the edge. Those are going to take GP screws, 6 of them. There you go. Cover panel is on. All right, now we are going to bring out base. We've got 2 holes here and places for them right here, just like so. Nice. All right, and from the underside, we are talking about a couple of HP screws to hold it in place. And there you have it. The roof intake is in place now. Man, they make it look so neat on the images, but of course the cables don't really want to obey as to where you place them, which kind of sucks. And these are solid anyway, so I couldn't even put any crafting wire in them, nothing. But it doesn't look too bad, and you know, here we go. Sadly, however, we will not be using any of the box sides today, so this is actually it. That's all we've got for stage 136, which really kind of sucks, but it is what it is, and we're done. So I guess we'll have to wait until next week to find out what happens next. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.